Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shanae Monique, and if you are interested in how I got this beautiful purple pink Barbie look, stay tuned. I did record a full face makeup tutorial for you guys, but a little bit of background on the reason why I did this crazy, extravagant full face makeup when I haven't done like colors like these in such a long time was because if you follow me on Instagram at Shanae Monique, you know that I just wrapped up a Barbie inspired maternity shoot. It was super fun and exciting. I'll link some clips from behind the scene. And it's an amazing like doll Barbie style house here in Texas. And I will link some of their information as well in the description box. But it was such a fun, exciting shoot. Even though I'm having a boy, I still wanted to do a girly, feminine shoot. So I did the Barbie ponytail, I did the Barbie eyeshadow, and the full glam. So this is a lot of makeup for me, but since it was pictures, I wanted to make sure that they looked great. And so I did like everything, and the pictures turned out bomb. So I will link some of the behind the scenes, and then we will jump in to doing the makeup. Make sure that if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I'm trying to get my subscribers up so I can do a giveaway. And if you are already a subscriber of mine, thank you guys so much for your support, and stay tuned for the behind the scenes and the makeup.
TakeTones.com. 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 TakeTones.